From the world of beauty pageants, Ruhi Singh is all over the internet with the recent teaser release of the web series Bang Bang, The Sounds of Crime. The web series involves mystery, suspense, and loads of action. Here is a short snippet from the teaser. Social media is a great platform to voice one's opinion. Recently, on World Suicide Prevention Day 2020, Avriti Chaudhary took a step ahead to acknowledge the need to prevent suicides by discussing the important pointers to help each other overcome suicidal thoughts. On the other hand, Miss Universe 2019 Zosie Binni Tunzi once again called a renowned cosmetic brand in South Africa for their racist advertisement campaign. The brand was ultimately pushed to withdraw the posters from their website after the outrage on social media platforms, and also issued statements on their official brand Twitter account apologizing for the insensitive and offensive images. Miss Igla Nigeria 2019 Queen Makolo Favor Achenyo has won all hearts after her initiative to open pad bank for young girls in rural areas of her country. The project aims at establishing sanitary banks in rural communities that are accessible to every girl child, and also to reinforce their confidence to be proud about their menstrual cycle. They say miracles happen when you least expect them. That's exactly what happened with Lisa Merese, who entered by chance and actually ended up winning the Miss Hong Kong contest while visiting her grandmother in Hong Kong. She is a nurse by profession and plans to continue doing the same after her glorious reign. Former beauty queen and model Natalia has been taken into custody for attempting to murder a staff member of a supermarket. The act was caught on the CCTV where Natalia was seen attacking the victim by pushing her on the ground near the fruits and vegetables section. The Miss Simila 2020 contest, which is the largest pageant in the south of Thailand, ended in chaos after one of the eliminated participants demanded to see the score and accused the judges of rigging scores. However, at the end, the decision to equally distribute the prize money among the 10 finalists drew strong criticism from the pageant fans and expressed their rage through various social media platforms. Lastly, here are a throwback series of glorious homecoming moments from Femina Miss India 2016 and 2019. Let's have a look.